Hey guys, welcome to my tutorial on how to make a face mask with stretch fabric. Here are the supplies you'll need, which is main fabric, liner fabric, scissors, pattern weights, elastic, your thread, and your face mask pattern. So what I do is I cut two of each, 2 pieces for the front and 2 pieces of liner. What you're going to see me doing here is putting them down with my pattern weights. And I'm going to be cutting a good amount of these out because I'm also working on an order as I record this, hence me not being so prepared to make a tutorial. But I was like, hey, let me just try to record some of this process since I haven't uploaded in so long. So please forgive me for the recording. I will get better at YouTube. So here's the liner, 2 pieces, and as you can see, here is the main fabric. What you're going to do is sew right sides together. So down the front, and as I'm doing it there, flip it inside out and sew down the front. My light from my machine may block a little bit, so I apologize for that. All I'm doing here is just sewing down the pieces together, and then now I am folding about 1 inch, 2 inches in on each side of the liner fabric, because I like my liner fabric to fall shorter than my main fabric so that there can be a pocket for a filter. Other people may put pockets in their filters different ways, but I do it that way. And now I'm connecting the 2, so you want to match these up as best as you can. If there's excess, once you sew it, you just cut it off. You're going to end up flipping this inside out anyways. Sometimes the fabric may stretch a little, the stretchy part, because the liner fabric is cotton, and come out longer. You can just, like I said, trim any excess. Now, once you do that, sew the sides down, you flip it inside out, and you will then sew the sides down again. Top stitch the sides, or understitch, however you want to put it. Once again, this is how I do it with stretch fabric. Other tutorials may do different. And most tutorials I see don't even really use stretch fabric. But it is possible to do it. I would just always recommend the cotton or backing lining. So, like you see, I'm sewing the top of the lining, and there's a good amount of extra main fabric compared to the lining fabric, and you'll see what I do with that. I'm just gonna end up folding it in. I don't serge these at all, but some people decide to serge it. I love just the speed of my straight stitch juki. So here I am folding in the end that I'm going to put elastic. I fold it over twice, and then I stitch it down. Do not stitch too close to the edge, because then you'll have a hard time inserting elastic through that channel. Once again, some people do this different. This is how to do it the way I do it, with the way to insert the filter pocket and then have the string elastic kind of contour to the face. You can also fold it completely back to meet the liner and then attach the elastic on the sides. I don't. I feed it through the channel instead, and you're going to see me do that briefly. And I always back tack or back stitch on the elastic ends, the channel. So from all that pulling and strap pulling, you don't want that seam to come undone. So I'll back stitch on the top of the fabric channel, the elastic channel, and the end of it back stitch. So as you can see, I'm about to take a pin and I'm gonna insert the elastic.